How to send PowerPoint in Messenger using Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your Messenger application is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches. So just go to the Play Store application and search for Messenger in the search bar. So just type in Messenger and then check if there are any updates available. Now as you can see, my app is updated on this device, so I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me directly to the home page of Messenger application on my device. Now I'm going to tap on the chat that I want to send the presentation or Microsoft PowerPoint file to. So here I'm selecting this profile. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the 4 dotted line at the left corner of the screen. So just tap on that and you can see the option of files. Tap on that. After that you will be led to your file. Then you can select the PowerPoint file that you want to send. Just select that file and it will be sent to the person. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.